Welcome to all. We started with chapter HTML to learn how to create web page. So to create web page we need to learn tags first. So we started with tags already. Let's see further tags. This is big tag. What is the meaning? It is used to make text size one size bigger. तो जो भी टेक्स्ट साइज होगा डिफाइन किया होगा पहले से उससे एक साइज बिगर कहाँ पे आएगा in this big tag. So it is in pair. It means it is with start tag and end tag. Example is web page 1 and web page 2. So at the time of program we will see the change that web page 2 will be one size bigger than web page 1. Small tag, it is used to make text size one size smaller. It is also in pair. It means start tag and end tag. So what we will get if I write website 1 and website 2. So I wrote website 2 in this small tag. So I'll get on screen that website 2 will be one size smaller than website 1. Okay. Next is EM tag. EM tag is used to define emphasized text. Okay. The content inside this tag will be displayed by default in italic for verbal stress. It is in pair, that means start tag and end tag is there. Web page detail and website detail. We will see the change in program. क्या change होगा यहाँ पे? At the time of program, website detail will be in italic format. Next is INS tag. INS tag means inserted text. INS element is displayed as inserted text. It is in pair with start tag and end tag. Whatever we will write in between these tags, start and end tag, I will get this content with a underline. Clear? We will see in program. Next is del tag. That means delete tag. Delete element is used to display the deleted text. जो भी टेक्स्ट डिलीट करना है और डिलीट हुआ है उसे डिस्प्ले करने के लिए we will write any statement in between this del tag. It is in pair. It means it is with start tag and end tag. Example is this is deleted text. We will see in program what we will get and in which format this statement. Next is mark tag. Mark tag defines highlighted text. अगर किसी टेक्स्ट को हमें हाईलाइट करके बताना है so we'll use mark tag. It is in pair. Start tag and end tag is there. Whatever we want to highlight that text we have to enter in mark tag. Okay, we will see the program. See here, I started with notepad and this program for big, small, EM, INS, del and mark tag is here. After this we have to save in this pattern. Wherever your file will be there, open or double click with your web browser. Let's see what we will get. See here, this is for big tag. So we got web page 2 one size bigger than web page 1. Same for small tag. Website 2 is one size smaller than website 1. Next is EM tag, emphasized text. We got website detail in italic format as we wrote website detail in EM tag. Next is INS tag. This is inserted text with underline we got for inserted tag. Next is delete tag or del tag. See this content, what it means. This text is deleted. ये जो भी लिखा हुआ है वो क्या हो गया है? Delete हो गया है. Next is mark tag. Whatever you wanted in highlighted form, you used mark tag. So this is mark text. Okay. So in this way we can create number of web pages with number of tags. Okay, this will add number of features in your program. Thank you.